Hi, I'm Paul Lane with Keller Elite Realty. Today I had the privilege of interviewing Linda Brandt with Atlantic Bay Mortgage, and she answers some of the top questions that my clients have concerning interest rates and how they affect their monthly mortgage payments, and she also covers some of the best first-time homebuyer programs available, so stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Linda Brandt with Atlantic Bay Mortgage, and I want to thank you, Paul, for come visiting me so I may share some important information to help home buyers get a mortgage. So people are asking me all the time, should I buy now because interest rates are increasing or will they go down? Try and keep it in perspective. On $100,000 of loan, a half a point interest will increase your payment by $30. That's what, maybe a meal out a month? So don't stress over the interest rates. If now is the time to buy, go ahead and buy. The factors that determine an interest rate that an individual buyer may receive are based on a number of elements, and this is critical. Your neighbor may have one rate and you get a different rate, and that's because, one, it's a function of what's the purpose of the home. Is it a primary home, a secondary home, or an investment property? The other thing is your credit score. Credit score basically tells us the risk factor. Are you a high risk to lend money to? And then the other factor is also the percentage of down payment. Are you putting 5% down or 20% down? So if your neighbor has a credit score of 800 and they put 20% down, and you're putting 5% down and your credit score is 600, the interest rates will definitely be different. So think about it as risk. You take a risk in buying a home. We take a risk, the lender, in lending you the money so that you will pay it back on time for the term of the loan. So what drives interest rates today? You have the federal funds rate, which is driven by the Fed, and as you've seen all over the news, that is increasing and will continue to increase. The other thing is the 10-year Treasury note, which also drives interest rates. But keep in mind, when I bought my first home, interest rates were 12%. So interest rates hovering around 5% is still inexpensive interest rates for a home mortgage. I'm going to shift for a minute to first-time home buyers and talk a little bit about the programs that Atlantic Bay offers. First-time home buyers are usually nervous thinking they can't afford it, but we have half a dozen programs for first-time home buyers. Some of them are basically 0% down payment. That means that you bring no money to the closing. We can get you down payment assistance. There's also other programs that you are eligible for reduced, what's called the EVIL private mortgage insurance. But rest assured, give me a call. There's a lot of details, a lot of anxiety around it, but I will set your mind at ease because my focus is basically education, to give you all the information to help you make the best decision for your situation. So getting a mortgage can be very complicated, confusing, and overwhelming, but I'm here to help. My approach is basically education, to provide you as much knowledge as possible to help you make the best decision for your situation. So please call me with any questions. Linda Brandt, Atlantic Bay Mortgage, 828-776-5755, and I'm here to help you. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. If you have any questions regarding a mortgage, or if you'd like to get pre-approved, be sure to contact Linda Brandt at Atlantic Bay Mortgage. And if you have any questions about the real estate market, if you're looking to buy or sell a home, or if you'd like a free market report for your area, feel free to contact me anytime.